Hey Jeff, from what movie have we been drawing characters this whole week?
Sherlock Gnomes.
Sherlock Gnomes. It's an awesome movie. We loved it, didn't we?
Yeah.
And you can actually purchase it on iTunes now. You can click the links below this video in the description. Head over and buy it. All right, who are we drawing today?
Gnomeo.
Gnomeo. He's awesome.
Yes.
We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. You got something to draw with. We're using markers and some
Paper.
and something
Something to color with.
to color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're first going to start by drawing Gnomeo's eyes right in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw two circles, and I'm going to leave a little space. We're going to leave space in between the two circles. Yeah. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle in the top to make his eyes look shiny. Color in the big circles, but leave that little one white. Then we're going to draw his nose, and we're going to draw an oval in between his eyes. Now we can draw his smile. I'm going to draw a really happy smile. All right, cool. Now we can draw his face, or his chin. We're going to start right next to his eye, and we're going to draw a U. Watch this. It's going to be square on the sides. And then when I get under his nose, we're going to draw a little chin, and then we're going to draw the rest of his cheek coming around, square cheek, over to his other eye. Yeah. And back up. It's all right. Yeah, you did it. Good job. Now let's draw the top of his hat. We're going to draw a curve that goes over, connects the left side over to the right side. Awesome. Now let's draw his hair. He has a little bit of hair coming out from underneath his hat. And then we can also draw his eyebrows. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need extra time. Now, let's draw his beard. So right here, we're going to draw the hat, the bottom of his hat coming out a little further on each side. Then we're going to draw his beard. Watch this. We're going to come down underneath his chin and then back up and look towards the sides. The top of his head, I get a little closer, almost like they're going to touch. Yeah. All right. Now let's draw his ears on each side. We'll draw a letter C over here and a backward C on the right side. What should we draw next?
His hat.
His gnome hat. We're going to draw it really tall and it's really wiggly. So we're going to start over his ear. Watch this. We're going to draw a curve that comes in like this and up. Yeah, curves in towards the middle and then back up. It's really tall. I like it.
Wow.
No, it's good. It's perfect. Now we're going to draw the other side. We're going to draw the right side and we want it to match. So we're going to curve it in like this and then back up. And then at the top, we're going to curve in and connect.
Big hat.
Yeah, I like it. Gnome hats are really tall. Good job. Okay, now we're going to draw his body next. We're going to draw two curves coming out of the bottom of his chin, bottom of his head. And at the bottom of these two lines, we're going to connect with a curve. All right, now let's draw his belt. We're first going to draw a square in the middle of his body, but towards the bottom. So we're going to draw the letter L, and we're going to draw an upside down L to connect the top and the bottom. Now let's draw a smaller square inside. Oh, really small. For the inside of his belt buckle. And then let's color in that small circle. Or small square. Next, let's draw his belt. We draw two lines that come out on each side. And then two on the left side also. And we can color in his belt black. Next, we're going to draw the top of his vest. We're going to draw a V at the very top. And then a line that connects down to his belt buckle. Looks like the letter Y.
Yeah.
Now, inside of there, we're going to draw a little curve for his t-shirt that you can see. Now, let's draw his collar. We can draw a U on each side. He's looking so cool. Now, we could draw his legs. Let's first draw a line right down the middle. Then we're going to draw two more lines on the outside, but they're going to be shorter. That way we can draw his boots. Now, let's draw a curve that comes out on the side on the left and the right for the top of his boots, the toes. Then we're going to connect all three of these lines, each with a curve. So there's the bottom of his shoe or his boot, and then another curve over here for the bottom of the right foot. Perfect. Now let's draw the top of his boots. We're going to draw a line that goes across both legs. Cool. Now let's color in his boots. All right, what's he missing?
His arms.
Yeah, let's draw a really simple arm. We're going to draw a line that comes down and connects back into his body. Looks like a backwards J. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Frontwards J. Yeah, and then right up here, let's draw a curve for his sleeve on both sides. All right, we did it. We finished drawing Gnomeo. He looks really cool, except he's going to look better when we do what?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color him. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Jack, I love your Gnomeo. He turned out really cool, all colored in. We also added a little white shiny mark on his boots to make him look really shiny.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Now, it's okay that our two drawings look a little different, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yes, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. Now, we're not completely done with our drawings, right?
Yeah.
What time is it?
Challenge time.
Challenge time. What are we going to challenge our friends to
We
do?
challenge them to draw more gnomes with them.
More gnomes in the background.
Yes.
You could draw Sherlock and even Watson and maybe even a bunny.
Yeah.
Parents, also be sure to take a photo of your child's finished drawing and enter it into our giveaway. Where should they post the photo?
To Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter.
Yeah, and also use two tags. What's the first one?
At Art for Kids Hub.
Yeah, and the second one?
Hashtag Sherlock Gnome Art.
Good job, man. Sherlock Gnomes
Gnomes art.
art. And you have 1 week to get those entries in. We're going to pick the winner next Friday.
Yes.
We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.